Hi all, I am PMP certified expert and I have passed the PMP exam this year. So what are the basic tasks and what are the challenges that I have faced and what you should do to get your PMP certification in proper time period that I'm going to explain in this video. Watch this video till the end if you want to get good tips, a proper mindset knowledge and the good source that can help you to get this PMP exam properly cracked in proper time period. But before starting this video, let me tell you one thing. If you come with the video like you saw, you can crack the exam in a week time, you can crack the exam in a month. Let me tell you one thing guys, don't watch that videos because that video will rule out your PMP exam career. So be very specific, do your study, use my content and that is aligned with the PMP mindset, okay, and you will definitely crack the exam in proper time. So what I did, step number one, first of all, you need to read the PMP notes. I read my own PMP notes. Okay, I just collected proper notes. I have did lots of work on that and I read that one. So let me just show you that notes first. So these are my notes. Okay, you can see in every chapter wise, it is properly mentioned, it explicitly defining every single things, what are the facts, what are the figures that I need to look into it, and I'm going to explain every single thing in this on this YouTube channel. So you should subscribe this YouTube channel and you will definitely get good output from this YouTube channel, right? And you can see it is really very good note that I have been using. If you want these notes, I'm going to put the link in the description box, you can go and purchase that one. Okay, the second thing, so this is my crucial step that I did in my PMP exam. So once I read this PMP notes, okay, I was fully confident enough that I can understand the another references such as Rita book. Okay, so I have gone through the Rita book or like a very high level. I have not read very deep. I just read very high level. I just gone through the questions of the Rita book, okay, 7th edition, and it is really good. Okay, I have not gone through very thoroughly, but I have just gone to very high level look into the Rita book. Okay, now the step number three which I did is, before completion the step number three, you should complete these two steps, because what will happen is you will take in a control on the concepts of the PMP terminologies. So when you do this course, and this course is very crucial, okay, I use Andrew Ramdal course because Andrew Ramdal is one of the gem kind of person, I would say. He really deliver a very good course on Udemy, and that certificate is required to fill the form, fill the application for from the PMP exam for 35 PDOs. So you have to do that one, watch his video correctly, do the exercises what he suggested, okay, and you will be ready at least 50% from his course. So my expectations, what I did from his course is I prepared myself 50 percentage, okay, rest my another database helped me to get the PMP exam cracked. So first of all, you need to go through my these notes, then you need to read the Rita book, and afterward you need to do this course. Now once you do this course, you require at least 15 days, or you can take 1 month if you just give 2 or 3 hours a day, so you can complete his course. I watch his course by by speeding in 1.5x and 2x, okay, because he's one of the gem kind of person, he can really explain very well. Now, as I said, you watch the video till the end. So the basic terminologies over here is the mindsets one. Okay, these are the mindsets are gonna change your life, because these are my questions that I prepared, and the mindset for every single question. If you wanted to answer any question, you require a mindset. What mindset I should use to solve this question? So there are the one of the best database I have prepared for the PMP exam, and that can, if you just click here, so it will take you to my website. This is my website, civilnotes.com. This is the project management and civil engineering website. If you just click here, you will redirect it to one of my web page. You need to come here, PMP exam preparation, PMP mindset, TTOS and questions. You need to click here, and you can able to see this page. So this page is explicitly considering the different category like people, Okay, process and business environment. So if you can see the manage conflict, if you just click on this, it will create the next page, and it will explain you like this what about this uh, page is all about. Okay, it will explain what are the mindset that we should use during the PMP exam, and also it will use what are the key TTOS that you should understand, and also it will help you the question. So you will get a question, you will get the multiple options, you will get the correct answer with the explanation and what mindset you should use while solving the questions. So this is I have created, and this is going to help you in your whole PMP exam preparation, right? And once you do this one, then you need to buy the PMP study hall, PMI study hall. It is your choice. I did, because this is a good resource, I would say, from the PMI. You can go and buy it as per Indian rupee. Indian rupees, it is around 3,000 rupees. Okay, so you can go and buy that one, and then once your score in the examination of the PMP study hall is more than 75 percentage, then I would say go and book your exam, right? So I'm going to provide all the link of the PMP study notes and Udemy course links, and obviously my key resources, okay, that you can use. Okay, and these all are free. These key resources all are free. Only if you wanted to purchase my notes, you can purchase my notes from the link provided in the video description. Okay, so this is all about the PMP exam, guys. I'm going to help you thoroughly from today till there. I don't know, I'm going to help you for the whole lifetime. Okay, so join my WhatsApp group. This will definitely help you, and happy to see you, right? Cheers, bye bye.